With a worldwide pandemic to deal with, it might be hard to imagine any joy in medicine over the past 2 years, but Christiana Care earned one of only 5 national gold recognitions called Joy in Medicine Awards from the American Medical Association. Take a look.
So the Joy in Medicine Award is the accumulation of years of blood, sweat, and tears on the part of our very talented Center for WorkLife WellBeing team. And while we have much work to do in the years ahead, it is a recognition of the fact that we're going in the right direction, and it establishes Christiana Care as a thought leader in this very critical and emerging field of caregiver well-being. Over the last few years, we've begun to understand some of the unique challenges that face healthcare workers, and we're determined to support our caregivers and to create an environment where they can flourish. And so we opened the Center for WorkLife WellBeing, and the mission of the center is to foster work-life meaning, connection, and joy.
So the Center for WorkLife WellBeing has been very helpful with me personally. They come to visit us almost every day with a special little cart that they bring with all these goodies, but also emotionally.
So unfortunately, several years ago while working in the emergency department, I experienced a very difficult professional event that at the time there was no support system available. And I began to talk to others around the country and understood that it wasn't just me, and there was a dire need for us to develop these support systems. And so I'm very proud that Christiana Care has invested in the well-being of our caregivers and clinicians, and now those difficult professional events, we absolutely have support for our caregivers.
Personally, I had a patient who was very ill, who was about to pass. They were able to help me bring in the wife who they were married over 60 years, and they were able to help me bring her in to say goodbye to her husband. It was very meaningful that I knew they cared, and they cared about my feelings.